Thank you so much for all of you guys to give me so much love, so much support. अगर I feel लास्ट ईयर मैंने अमित खन्ना के साथ शूट किया था और मेरा 50,000 फॉलोअर्स थे एंड आई थिंक आफ्टर दैट आई गॉट रागनी के बाद फॉलोअर्स बढ़ते गए एंड आई टुडे आई एम 1 million. I'm so excited, I'm so happy about it and I want to thank all my fans for all the love and support they've given me.
ओके, इतनी जल्दी इतना प्यार मिला है जो क्या क्या कहना चाहेंगे इसके बारे में आप?
I'm so lucky. I
सोचा था आपने कि
think
मतलब
no,
इतनी
I
जल्दी
never
मतलब 1 million
thought.
followers, 2
I
million.
actually never thought when I was doing Pavitra Rishta. I was like, पता नहीं मतलब I'm gonna probably get where but I don't know. People have given me so much love in this last 2 years, and I'm so grateful. And I think I have so much gratitude for it, and I just feel I'm so lucky.
ओके, इसी के साथ में फोटोशूट के बारे में बताइए, किस चीज़ के लिए ये फोटोशूट कर रहे हैं?
First of all, I wanted to shoot for 1 million, and I also shot the Kiki video, and it's for a luxury magazine, and the theme was food and beverages, and that's why you can see I'm wearing all funky and all colorful clothes. So yeah.
ओके, किस तरीके के शूट्स कॉन्सेप्ट्स आप ज़्यादा एंजॉय करती हैं?
Anything fun. Just I mean, I also like the whole sexy bit and where I don't know where people like bold, but I think I enjoy being sexy. I think different kind of things. We did Padmavati, which also got featured, so it was different. So anything that is new, because एक चीज कर के you get bored. So something new every time is fun.
Okay,
So
so
this was
अगर-
food and beverages. So we were playing with noodles, pizzas, and yeah. So
ओके, फोटोशूट की अगर बात करिए तो सबसे पहले दिमाग में क्या आता है? कुछ ऐसी कोई याद, कोई मेमोरीज कुछ हैं कुछ?
I did my first photo shoot when I was 17 back in college. I remember जब मुझे किसी ने पूछा था कि आप मॉडलिंग करना चाहेंगे ना, उस लाइक मैं आई वाज स्टडिंग बीबी, आई वाज स्टडिंग बिजनेस. आई वाज लाइक नहीं, मैं नहीं. तो लाइक यू शुड ट्राई, यू हैव अ गुड फेस. और उस टाइम से आई स्टार्टेड शूटिंग एंड उसके बाद आई जस्ट बिन लविंग इट.
ओके, इसी के साथ में क्या क्या चेंजेस होने वाले हैं आज मतलब क्या क्या शूट करने वाले हैं, इसके बारे में बताइए.
I told you it's for a luxury magazine. It's
ये तो मतलब कितने लुक्स होने वाले हैं आज?
I did like around 7 looks already.
Oh.
Yeah. So me and Amit are quite fast. So we started shooting at 11:30, and by 2 we did like 6 looks. So
ओके,
yeah.
इसी के साथ में काफ़ी प्रोजेक्ट्स भी हैं, उनके बारे में कुछ बताइए जो आने वाले हैं.
So Hum is coming on 30th July on All Balaji app. You guys should really watch it. It's with Kushal Tandon and Ridhima Pandit. And the next thing is Comedy Circus. I'll be doing comedy. And the third thing is 14th September, my movie is releasing, Hotel Milan. So you guys should go and watch that movie as well. Because it's so different. Like, everybody is like bold character. She's so bold. But I think in that I'm playing a UP, person who's born and brought up in Kanpur. So it's a different character altogether. Comedy is so different. So I don't see myself only doing bold things. I think I need to break that. But also I don't shy away from it because I am sexy and I know it.
ओके, इसी के साथ में जैसे कि हमने आपको बोल्ड सीन्स करते हुए देखा है एंड कॉमेडी भी अब आप करने वाले हैं एंड और वेब सीरीज भी आपने करा है. सो आप सबसे ज़्यादा कहाँ पे खुद को कंफर्टेबल मानती हैं?
I think I really enjoyed doing so. I've lived in Bihar for 3 years and I really enjoyed doing the UP dialect, So उसमें बहुत films I really like. I've done only one film and I did Pyar Ka Panchnama 2. I just like how they're shot and the way the thing is treated. So, but also if the character is good, I also enjoyed Ragni a lot. Like it was so much fun. So I just think comedy I'm still learning. It's something which is very new and it's not that doesn't come to me easily, but I'm still like working and learning because I think sexy, comedy, sadness, it's like acting is very wide and it's very small part of it. So I'm still learning and want to be ace at all of them.
ओके, कॉमेडी सर्कस की अगर बात करिए तो बहुत ज़्यादा कंपटीशन होने वाला है, बहुत सारे लोग आने वाले हैं. तो आपने किस तरह की तैयारी कर ली है अभी उसके लिए?
So मेरे पार्टनर है सिद्धार्थ और मुबीन and they are the best. So उनके साथ I sit with them on readings. I sit and learn my dialogues. Or also because they are so much like they're so good with their work. I think I just learn from them and I've learned actually so much. My sense of humor have become so much better after being with them because वो लोग आप कुछ भी बोलो वो कुछ भी बोलेंगे and you will actually laugh. So I feel I'm getting paid to laugh. I go there, I sit and I'm like just watching them and I'm laughing. So it's a great job.
ओके, इसी के साथ में होटल मैनेजर की अगर बात करी जाए तो काफ़ी एक कंट्रोवर्शियल एक ये टॉपिक है,
हाँ।
एंटी रोमियो, जिस जिस तरीके से मैंने पोस्टर में देखा मुझे मालूम पड़ा।
Yeah,
तो उसके
Anti
बारे में
Romeo
बताइए
Squad.
कि-
Yeah, so in Kanpur it happens that when the couple is out, these people come and they hit the couple sitting out. So it's a story about how this guy wants to change it, but obviously it's corrupt. So it's political based. It is funny. You'll see Zishan Kadri, who was Gangs of Wasipur, so he's quite funny. There's Rajesh Sharma ji, who's also playing a very good role, and he's also funny. Zakir Hussain ji. So they're all such great actors, and it was so lovely to work with them because I had just done Ragini when I shot for the film. And उनके साथ काम करके I've learned a lot. Even Kunal and even Jaideep Palawat,
ओके,
they're all
इसी
great.
के साथ में कहा जा रहा है कि रागनी का भी एक और फ्रेंचाइज बनने वाला है वर्ल्ड बालाजी में, उसमें उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे? इसमें आप नजर आएंगे?
I don't know yet. I haven't got a call from Ekta ma'am.
ओके, और इसी के साथ में तेरा घाटा की अगर बात करी जाए तो उसको भी बहुत
इसमें
ज़्यादा
तेरा घाटा. I love this song and it's become such a big hit, and congratulations to Gajendra because it's his hard work. It was his song, and I also again feel lucky that I'm part of it, and yeah.
and बहुत ज़्यादा म्यूजिकली
Oh yeah, the musicals are funny. Some of them are very good and some of them are extremely funny. Yeah, so I'm happy. It's 75 million views now. So.
ओके करिश्मा, अगर इसी के साथ में बात करी है, कोई ऐसा रोल, ऐसा किरदार जो आपको अभी तक मौका ना मिला हो और जो आप प्ले करना चाहें, वो क्या मतलब है?
I want to play. So I have read a lot about Meena Kumari. I've seen a lot of films of her, and I think there is some kind of connection that I have with her. I don't know what. So I think if there's a biopic on Meena Kumari, I would love to be that, because I think her life journey from the day which she was born, her father left her, and ants had eaten her up, and then he decides to go back, gets her back. She starts working at the age of 4. So she has an interesting life, so I want to probably play a role of Meena Kumari.
ओके, इसी के साथ में लास्ट में क्या कहना चाहेंगे अपने फैंस से आप?
Thank you so much for so much love and for 1 million followers, and please keep loving me and keep watching my stuff, and I'm always here for you guys. Thank you.
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you so much.
करिश्मा, एक आइडिया